Here at Beckwood, we offer 5 different product lines. We have Beckwood custom hydraulic presses, we have TRIFORM sheet hydroforming presses, we have our Ascent hydraulic press line, our Evo Servo-Electric press line, and our LSP, our linear servo press. First and foremost is our custom hydraulic press line. The custom hydraulic press line is the line that really kind of takes us back to our roots. It's what we started with nearly 50 years ago. All of those machines are specified and built to order to the customer specification, and they are designed entirely around what that customer is doing, what challenges they have with their application. Second to that, we have our TRIFORM specialty forming machine line. Our TRIFORM line consists of a lot of technologies that are a little bit aerospace centric.
So our TRIFORM product line started in 2007. We were approached by an aerospace company who wanted to modernize the hydroform equipment. In that partnership, we developed a deep draw sheet hydroform, which then expanded into the fluid cell hydroform, the stretch forming equipment, both sheet and extrusion, and then also the ring expander equipment.
You know, those technologies are largely used in the aerospace industry for forming various alloys, but can also be used in R&D industries, medical industries, and some space and other kind of niche type of industries.
With any piece of equipment, it really comes down to reliability and peace of mind. With a lot of older equipment out there, it can be a struggle to find spare parts. There's a lot of custom parts on the equipment. Every component that we use in our TRIFORMs is standard off-the-shelf components that you can get from Beckwood, or you can either source from a local supplier. So we really designed these machines with uptime in mind.
Our third product line is our Ascent hydraulic press line. Our Ascent line was originated in 2019. The point of us rolling out the Ascent line was that not every customer needs a top-of-the-line, highly complex, highly engineered solution. You know, some customers may have a secondary application where they just need something that is a little more simple, a little more basic, and just needs to run and get the job done. And that's what Ascent was originated for. They are pre-configured, pre-designed, highly effective, they are very high quality, they're just like any other Beckwood machine, except maybe they don't have all the bells and the whistles. And that allows you to get into a Beckwood machine for a lower upfront cost. As far as servo-electric technologies go, we have 2 different product lines. On the smaller end of the spectrum, we have what we call our Evo line. And then to round out our product lineup, we have our newest product line, and that is our LSP, our linear servo press. But just to kind of summarize the benefits, 1, the servo-electric machines are much more energy efficient than their hydraulic counterparts. 2, they are also very much more precise. Servo-electric machines have the ability to run much tighter position, much tighter force tolerances than their hydraulic counterparts. 3rd, servo-electric machines do not have any pressurized hydraulic fluid. Hydraulic machines have been around for quite a long time. Those that run hydraulic machines know that there is a certain level of maintenance that's required to keep those machines running effectively and efficiently. And with the servo-electric line, you know, you don't have pumps, you don't have valves, you don't have hoses, so there's just far fewer potential failure points on a servo-electric machine compared to a hydraulic. Now, hydraulic machines aren't going to go anywhere. You might look at the benefits of servo-electric and think, well, why would I ever buy hydraulic? Hydraulic machines still have a great use, especially in very high tonnage or force application requirements.